It broke.
Holy crap!
It broke off.
That's a clean break.
Yeah. So I have a farmer's tan.
Where'd you get the farmer's tan?
I got a farmer's tan from welding, and no one told me that you get sunburnt from welding. Like, that was not a thought in my head. Like,
well, that's why there's a jacket on the car.
I thought it was so you don't splatter on yourself, which I was like, that makes sense.
Protective.
No one told me.
Look at that 96mm throttle body. It's massive. You look, my whole fist. Let me
Jesus.
Let me.
Look, my whole fist.
You can't fit a fist in there, and your fist is tiny. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy.
You're literally fisting my car, Marco.
Look at how tiny your throttle body is. We need to fix that.
It's not the size of the throttle body.
Yes, it is.
It's how you drive the car, Marco.
No, that's 15 more horsepower you're losing.
And I'm doing fine with 100 less horsepower right now.
Matt,
What?
I can't listen to music.
Oh my god.
I know, it sucks.
What if we listen to royalty-free music?
Yes, but then it's, royalty. It's not. Okay.
I want to listen to something besides your voice.
So we're removing the trans. That's gonna be a pain. This is the trans mount. You gotta take that off. Exhaust and drive shaft, which is red. It's pretty cool. And then we gotta tilt the motor and see if we can split it at the adapter right there.
It should just
Hold your side.
Yeah.
I haven't unplugged mine. Got it.
Oh, watch the camera.
You're fine. Go back there.
Yeah. Just pull it out of that exhaust.
Is it gonna come out? That is such a long one-piece exhaust.
It splits here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There's like a bolt on?
It's like the spring held together. You can split it here.
Why don't we do that?
Because it came out here perfectly like this.
I will say it's pretty nice working in here with no gas can or gas tank.
Yep.
So much room for activities. Wang, Jamal showed up.
You're.
High five, man. Don't leave me hanging.
Oh, should we turn off the music?
I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas. I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas.
Somebody needs to tilt it. It's too heavy. Come here, Jamal. Jamal! What? Tilt it from the back, from the left.
Let me hit it from the back.
Just slowly, okay? Tilt it.
Well, this isn't the dumbest thing I think I've done all day.
Come on.
How much more you want me to
Tilt.
tilt?
Wait, it's gotta go in the can.
You see?
Go,
This is-
go, go.
This is
Go, get it, get it.
Oh my gosh.
It's sort
You're
of
setting
going
my
in.
people back 200 years with it.
There you go, it's perfect. Just keep that steady stream right there. Come on. You know when you're peeing on a really tall urinal?
I had to
Maybe
use
you were
the
gonna say
lowest
urinal.
urinal.
You want some gas?
Hey, can you take 2 deep on yours? Yeah.
Alright, so can I hop on the back?
Yeah, hold on.
I want to be one of those people.
Put on 2. Oh my god. Come on. This is really gay. Oh my god. This is super gay. This is so gay. Stop. No. What are you doing to him? He's taking like that. Don't tickle him. Perfect. Next gear!
you okay?
Oh, yeah.
My culo. Oh,
full of
shit, I
sand.
probably have a shit ton because my shoes are like, oh, not that bad.
You can see it?
I mean, it's like sticking out. Yeah, so you can see it broke.
Holy crap.
It broke off.
That's a clean break.
Yeah. So, them heavy clutch kicks.
Wow, that's crazy.
At least the car was being driven.
Right? Wow. So the trans is fine.
Trans is fine. So when we gotta pull off the Collins plate anyway.
Yeah.
So when we pull that off, it'll expose all the input shaft. So we can probably just order a new input shaft for this. Have this as a replacement since this is a CD04, something around there. And have this as a spare transmission since it's already cut. And then put the CD09 in it. And then that should last me a decent bit. But that's
And then
it.
you have a spare trans.
And then I have a spare trans.
Sick.
Alright. There's that.
Let me see it outside.
This is wild. So it goes into your crank. Clean broken.
There's the jack.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's like perfect clean.
We'll just
Wow.
tack it back on, Marco.
Ah, I can weld now.
We are not tacking that back on.
Why not?
It would be so unbalanced, the whole transmission would sit there and shake.
You don't know that.
I know 100% for a fact that your welds would destroy this car.
What are you doing?
Safety first.
Doesn't he look like that guy with the uni thing? What does that called? What does he say?
Bang Holio.
Yeah, that's it.
But I'm a safe Bang Holio.
He says he can cut his trans with that thing.
It'll take a while. We're making it.
The compressor just turned on and you haven't even made it then.
First of all, that's going to be gone in like 2 seconds, so you really put some pressure on.
This is what the plate looks like taken off the trans. That's what the trans looks like cut. You gotta cut it like this because the bell housing is all the way up to here and it's not bolt on like many of them are. Oh, where'd you get that?
Oh, shop neighbor. Friendly fellow let us borrow it.
Alright, well I bet you'll be able to cut it way better with that.
We'll see.
Pull it?
Nah, you got a couple. Hold on. It's like right here. Oh, there we go.
It looks really good. You did a good job, man. This music is perfect.
And everything's good.
Uggas. Matt already got the tranny mount on in. Tranny's all the way in. And he's tightening the motor mounts right now. And all you need left is the exhaust and the drive shaft.
And this little subframe brace
Oh yeah, the subframe brace.
that'll
Barrel
protect
and
this. And then that's it.
tight. Matt over here welding his exhaust up. How's it look?
It's alright. See, like I sealed that up.
It's a party now.
Oh yeah!
Matt has a spare trans now. All we gotta do is change that broken input shaft.
Yep. So I'm gonna have Marco weld it right on for me, right? Just like not even lined it up, just like
No,
tack it.
I like the idea that you got that you can make that into a lining tool. Or
Yeah, everyone on Instagram was like, make that an alignment tool. I was like,
it's
yes.
perfect. We're
So
welding
that's
a little
perfect.
handle on it.
Yeah.
Why you gotta be so Asian, Wang?
Because what?
Why you gotta do that?
Huh? Do you not want me to?
Yeah, I don't care.
Are we
Anyways,
smiling? What are we doing?
you do whatever you want, Jamal. We're leaving. We're done. Got his trans in. Worked on my car a little bit.
Being Asian as possible.
Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, sharing, and everybody goodbye. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah, y'all suck. Y'all suck.